Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll walk you through how to fix the Discord setup.exe installation error in Windows. This issue typically occurs due to conflicts with your system settings, antivirus software, or missing dependencies. Let's go through the steps to get Discord installed properly. Step 1. Run Discord setup as administrator. Running the installer with administrative privileges can resolve permission issues. Right-click on Discord setup.exe. Select Run as administrator. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Step 2. Disable antivirus and firewall temporarily. Sometimes, antivirus software or Windows Firewall may block the installation. Temporarily disable your antivirus software and Windows Defender Firewall. Right-click the Start button and select Settings, Privacy and Security, Windows Security. Under Virus and Threat Protection, click Manage Settings and turn off real-time protection. Try running the Discord setup.exe installer again. Remember to re-enable your antivirus and firewall after installation. Step 3. Clear previous Discord installations. Old files or partial installations can cause conflicts during setup. Press Win+R, type appwiz.cpl, and press Enter. Look for any existing Discord installations and uninstall them. Once uninstalled, navigate to C/users, your username, /appdata/local, and delete the Discord folder if it's still present. Restart your computer and try running Discord setup.exe again. Step 4. Check for Windows updates. Outdated system files can cause installation issues. Press Win+I to open Settings. Go to Update and Security, Windows Update. Click Check for updates and install any available updates. Restart your computer and attempt the Discord installation again. Step 5. Install required dependencies, VC Redist. Discord requires specific Visual C++ redistributable packages. Download and install the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable packages from the official Microsoft website. Install both the x64 and x86 versions. After installation, restart your PC and try the Discord installer again. Step 6. Check disk space. Ensure that your system drive has enough free space to install Discord. Open this PC and check available space on the C drive. If space is low, free up some space by deleting unnecessary files or using disk cleanup. Try running the Discord setup again. Step 7. Try installing in safe mode. If other applications are interfering, installing in safe mode can help. Press Win+R, type msconfig, and press Enter. In the System Configuration window, go to the Boot tab and select Safe Boot. Click OK and restart your computer in safe mode. Try running Discord setup.exe while in safe mode. Step 8. Use the portable version. If the installer still doesn't work, you can try the Discord portable version. Go to the official Discord website. Download the Discord portable version instead of the installer. Extract the folder to your desired location and run Discord without installation. Conclusion. The Discord setup.exe installation error can be caused by various issues like permission problems, antivirus interference, outdated system files, or missing dependencies. By following these steps, running the setup as administrator, clearing previous installations, installing required dependencies, and updating Windows, you should be able to fix the error and successfully install Discord. If this video helped, please like and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips.